This is the absolutely epic Becker lift at Poundland in Hitchin. It is, of course, a Becker lift. Epic, rare 70s Becker lift. This shop used to be Wilco's, but it's now Poundland. And I'm surprised this epic lift has survived. I'd have thought Wilco's would have modernised it back a long time ago. Suffered with reliability issues, suffered through them, but still original. And it suffered with about 5 months of barely any use while the car park was being resurfaced. And it still survived. This lift kind of is a warrior. And it's got like original buttons. And it's had some, I think because of DDA regulations, they've had to put in modern Dewhurst, which is boring compared to the 70s Dewhurst. Go back down to ground. And that's it. This is the lift up to the Pure Gym and above car park in Hitchin.
Doors are closing.
It's an incredibly...
This lift is moving up.
It's an incredibly rubbish MP lift. And this lift, I believe it replaced the Benny lift. We are up at 2, which is the above car park. Level 1 is the Pure Gym.
Floor 2.
And ground floor is the street.
Doors opening.
Yeah, it used to be a Benny lift, I think, and they have MRL'd it.
Doors opening. Doors opening.
The indicator doesn't work.
This lift is moving down.
Replaced in 2019. This lift is incredibly cheap and nasty. And this lift wasn't working for quite a long time. It broke down. I don't think they bothered to fix it.
Ground floor.
It's age levelling as well.
Doors opening.
And we'll finish off on 1.
Doors are closing. This lift is moving up.
This lift was not working for a long time, and they finally fixed it.
Floor 1.
And that voice is so stupid.
Doors opening.
And that's it. This is the lift at the North Hertfordshire Museum in Hitchin. Down to -1. It is a horrid MP lift. It's pretty rattly. Not sure when it was built. I think I'm going to guess 2019. And I think we're at -1 now. Let's see which side it will open. This side. We'll go back up to 3. Some of these floors are very short distances away from each other. We are up at 3, I think. Yeah, floor 3. And we'll finish on 2. It's a very, very short distance to floor 2. It goes, I'm willing to say, levelling speed. See, it's very slow it goes. Here we are at floor 2. And that's it. These are lifts at the Lairage car park in Hitchin.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going down.
There used to be some old Keithley Schindler lifts. They've been totally replaced by
Car park
Rubats
level 1.
in 2021. And they do pre-doors.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going up.
There used to be 26 persons, 2,000 kilos.
Car park level
And
3.
they've made them four
Doors
times.
opening.
They've made them 4 times smaller.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
There used to be another set.
Going down.
There also used to be another set here of 2, but they've made that 1 and halved it,
Car park level
half
1.
the size.
Doors opening.
So up to 3.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going up. Car park level 3.
We're at
Doors
3.
opening.
Go down one more time to floor 1.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going down.
And that's it.
Car park level 1. Doors opening. Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going down.
This is the big lift at the Lairage car park in Hitchin. It used to be a Keithley Schindler lift, but it's been totally replaced in 2021 by Rubats.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
And this also used to be a set of 2 lifts, and they used to be both 33 persons, 2,500 kilos. But now it's just 1 lift, and it's 13 persons, 1,000 kilos.
Doors opening.
Which is a huge downgrade.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going down.
Replaced in 2021.
Car park level 1.
And that's it.
Doors opening.